CryptoEL here. So a quick update about grass, how things are going and how everything will end up probably. So first of all, subscribe to the channel and let's start with the video. In the description down below should be this link. You can use it. That's my previous video from last month, just 1 day, 1 month, and you can use it. Some people done it, so follow their actions. And okay, then the grass now is in epoch 3. This is not sure, it's just a phase or something, and it will be until April 9. I absolutely don't know when will be the airdrop, but probably it's close. Like you can see, I joined here on 4th of February. I done it just 20 hours here. You can see total uptime. That's the time because my PC is turned off like in the night, you know. So half of the time. And you can do it without turning your PC. It's not annoying you, but for me it's annoying me. It's too much of a sound or something. But never mind. Here you have the referral program. I have 1 referral. Thank you to this guy. I actually have 2 more, but not sure if they are using it. Thank you if you're watching. I'm tier platinum now. There are some tiers: iron, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, emerald, diamond, conqueror, vanguard and titan. With every you are taking some bonus, like bonus points, 6,000 for the next one. With every referral you also got points, probably I think it was 2,500 or something. I cannot show you here because it will show my IP. I don't want to cover it like the previous time. And yeah, in their Twitter account there is something really interesting I'm curious about. They had that this is a daily upload images, and they're revealing some kind of the word grass is the first ever lay 2 or something lay, like you can see, layer 11th of March, and today should be the last day in what, 14 hours. Yeah, so for you it could be today. And they're gonna review something, and I don't know what will be the thing and what they're planning. Don't go in the comments of the Twitter post. They're 99% scammers. So yeah, I wanted just to do a quick update because I believe in this project, and at least it's nothing that you should pay for, you know. It's completely free. The thing that I love the most, free money. You know me, absolutely free money. So you saw from the last month there is a growth. I had 41k for the last epoch, and now just for a couple days 4k. Those points could be turned into real money, and I hope they will be. So yeah, that was it. Use my link. There is a different link that will lead you to the project I'm in. To everything is referral there, everything, but you're gonna help the channel, and most of the things that I provided will give you some kind of bonuses. So take advantage of it. Thank you for your time.